In today's video, I'll show you how to create a board in Monday.com. A simple process that helps you organize projects, track progress, and boost productivity. First, log into your Monday Toshma account and head to your dashboard. From here, click the plus icon at the top. It's the shortcut for creating something new. Now select board. You will see two options: start a board from scratch or use a template. A blank board gives you full flexibility, while templates save time by providing ready-made structures. Browse through the template gallery and pick one that matches your needs, whether it's project management, sales tracking, or task organization. Once you've found the right one, click Use Template. Your new board will load instantly with preset columns, groups, and layouts, all ready for customization. From here, you can rename columns, add tasks, and assign them to your team. And that's it. You've successfully created a board in Monday.com. It's perfect for organizing team tasks, managing deadlines, and streamlining workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Monday morning tips and